Hi everyone, this is Saeed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Jack Daniel's desk lamp. It's pretty easy and it costs under $10. So I'm going to drill a hole here, but first I'm going to cut a piece of plastic and cover the labels so they don't get wet. Alright, so the hole is done, and I'm going to take the tape off, and hopefully the label will be intact. So now I'm going to drill a 10 mm hole in the cap. There we go. So now I got some of this vintage looking fabric braided wire, which I'm gonna run through here. And I can lead it through the opening like so. So I will put it through here. Okay, and put it through here. And put that through here. And we'll twist this into the cap. It's all 10 mm. So since the hole was 10 mm, it will fit in there perfectly, like this. Nice and snug. Okay. Now for a little bit of wiring. Got a normal E27 socket. Undo the screw in there. Push it through here and turn it. You don't need to go really overboard with tightening this because it's brass on plastic, so you don't want to strip the plastic. And then you can tighten this screw. Just run it in a little bit, not really tightening it. Just run it in a little bit. Yeah. When you feel a little bit of resistance, you stop. Okay. Now we're gonna strip these two ends. 1 and 2. Now I'm gonna solder these tips. You don't have to do that, but because I sell this, I try to do a really good job for the customer, so I will solder these. And I finished putting the socket together. Okay. All right. Tighten this so the wire doesn't pull out of the other end. This you can make nice and tight so the wire doesn't pull out. And then you twist this back on. And this part of it is done. And this red wire goes nicely with this red label. Now next I'm going to put a dimmer switch, just to make it a little bit nicer. Because this is going to have a 40-watt incandescent light bulb that it can be a little bit too bright sometimes. So it's nice to have a dimmer on it. So here's the lamp, and I'm going to give it about maybe 20 centimeters, maybe about a foot, less than a foot, where I'm going to put the dimmer, maybe a little bit closer, yeah, about 20 centimeters. So I'm going to cut one of these wires off. And strip the wire. Both ends. So the wiring is done. Now we'll close it off. And I put the light bulb, and we have the dimmer and the plug now. And the shade goes on really easy. It's just like this. And it's done. Very easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more. Thanks.